naglalakad ako ngayon. Papunta ako ng Ocean Park wherein susundan ko yung aking alaga, but not the totally na magpapalapit talaga ako, kundi ano lang, yung distansya lang gid ko ba, kay I need to mag-gid myself good. So di arami, somebody is taking a video also. Somebody's taking a video also. Okay. Dito na kami sa Ocean Park. And then, i-detail ko na later. I-detail ko na later kung ano yung mga ganap ko dito ngayon. Okay? So, subaybayan nyo ako guys for what I'm doing right today. Ito yung magiging ganap ko ngayon. Okay, I'm gonna be here. Okay. My journey starts here. So, akong journey starts there. And then, naano ko diri. Look at it. It's so big, no? As in, malalaki talaga sila. Look. So, maglalakad ako in going there. I don't know yet kung asan yung aking alaga. Basta as of now, sulo akong napunta dito just to follow them because they are free man. Free man sila. And then I had to be on my own. But actually, my boss is the one paying for my entrance fee here. Discounted na yung aking senior citizen na ID. So, look. Kasi indagtagin sila na. Those are so big. They are so big.
Ako yan, bayo lang ako. Ako, alligator guard ko.
Okay, look at it guys. So nice na. So, I'm gonna be using the escalator para mapunta ako dun sa taas. Madilim, but okay na. Baliktad siya in briefing. Look at the hills. And then there's the Butiti. Oh, that's the Butiti, no? There's the parakeet.
Lovebird, ano?
Okay.
Bakit hindi mo lakas doon?
Kuya kayo isang tanga ba?
Hindi na, kaya makalapon mo na. Lama kayo palibot.